welcome mathematicians. Here's a brief look at how to navigate, to move around this newsletter. You'll see that I have just started writing the Welcome to Trimester 2 newsletter post with the weekly agenda. So at the beginning of every post, there will be a link to the weekly agenda. You can get to it another way as well, but it's always here. You can scroll down. You can always scroll down. This is how the newsletter will probably open up, but you can level up your ability to use this newsletter and look at old stuff by clicking on the outline. So if it loaded up like this without the outline, there are some bullet points over here on the left-hand side. For this document, you can see we're on the Trimester 2 tab, but any Google Doc should have an outline. If you don't see it, you can always click View, and you can show the Expand Tabs and Outline sidebar. But that's what this does right here, just by clicking on that. So you can see we are in Trimester 2, and I only have one post. But let's go back to the Trimester 1 tab. So I click on Trimester 1 and popped right to, the last thing I looked at, which is way back on August 29th, 2024. So I'm going to click on Trimester 1 again to expand everything. And here I have my outline. I can scroll up and down, and I can look at each week's thing. So here I can just pop to week 13, which was, at the time I'm recording this, last week. I can go look at week 12. I can go look at some teamwork examples from week 11. I can just generally jump around without having to scroll up and down and not know what I'm looking for. So again, let me go back out here. If the newsletter loads up some random place, you need to open the outlines. You need to pick the trimester you want, so I can collapse this here and go back to Trimester 2, which is what I actually want to look at, and click again to see the outline.